Hey y'all, so I'm actually using a new product. I wanted to show you guys this. You guys heard of this brand? I bought it from Sephora. It's called Bread, and it is a black owned company, and this is their clay mask. So you leave it on, so you section your hair, apply the mud mask directly to your scalp, massage it in, and then, you know, put it on your hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then proceed with your normal wash day routine. So I know a lot of us use the Aztec clay mask. I found the last time I used that particular mask, it made my hair just dry. And I had used that mask sometimes, like it wasn't my first time, my first rodeo using that mask, but the last time I used it, wasn't a fan. So I'm hoping I may like this one a little bit better. You can apply this mask to damp hair to make it easier to put on. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna detangle and then we'll get into the mud mask. So now I'm gonna just apply the mask. Start with the back, work my way to the front. My hair is still pretty saturated. Well, not saturated, it's still pretty damp. And it says apply to scalp first and then to your hair. So I'm gonna take about that much. I'm just taking like a little bit first and then just putting it directly on my scalp. I'm just gonna give it a little massage here. Like that. And then I'm gonna work it all the way down my hair. It actually feels not like I expected it to feel. It feels so much better at applying than the other like bentonite, that Aztec clay one. It feels like my hair is soft. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if this is supposed, I wish he would stop screaming. He making me mess it up. I don't know if this is supposed to feel like super hard. You know what I mean? Or if it's gonna get hard or anything. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm just doing it. That's what it is. It feels like I feel like I'm super close. It feels like a conditioner. You have to hold on a second. For those of you who are gonna be like, why I didn't try the whole line, yada yada yada. I wanted to get the sampler box. Honestly, let me be honest with y'all. Whenever I find something, it's very rare I will get the whole line. I'm just being honest. Because I've realized when I do stuff like that, I always end up having so much product that I don't use, and I don't want it. Why am I gonna spend my money on something I don't want? So I didn't get the whole line on this one. Not because I didn't want to, because I definitely did. I got this during the VIB sale and they were all sold out. So I wasn't about to buy all full size product of this just yet. I'm sure I will, but I like to, just like I did my Adwoa and how I found them, I tried stuff with them little by little. You know what I mean? And sometimes that's what you gotta do. I feel like I smell a bit of like gingerbread or something. Like, it really doesn't smell like anything. So if you're sensitive to smells, I am, you guys. I am super sensitive. I know people say that, but I really am. I don't even own one bottle of perfume. I wear nothing but Dove soap and lotion. Y'all, so this is my hair right out the shower. My hair feels so soft. It feels so good as well. Have y'all ever had a wash day where the shampoo was so good, like before you even deep condition, your hair felt so good and you didn't even want deep condition? That's kind of how I feel right now. But since I know I do not wash my hair often, I have to deep condition with every single wash. And y'all, I know you can't feel it because I talked about this in my last video, because my hair is on the finer side, but it feels so luscious. Like, it feels like it got thicker or something. Anyways, you guys, gonna quickly go in with my Adwoa Blue Tansy Reparative Mask. Love this stuff. Definitely a holy grail for me.